Hey guys, we're live at 9:31, battling for Jason's Emperor Mailer. Always nice. We got 12 spots. I'm going to copy and take over here to random to find our winner, 1 through 12. Going to roll the bone, see how many rounds we're going to go. Got to get at least a 5, which we did. We got an 8. So we're battling. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Michael in the top spot for our first round was number 1. Michael, number 2. Troy takes round 3. Don 4. Michael again on top in round 5. Michael Link, round 6. Other Michael, Michael Brusendorf, takes round 7 with number 4, bringing us to the ever-important final round. Good luck, guys. Here we go. And our winner is Troy Pitts. And at number 7, congrats, Troy. Here's the verification. IFO FKU. Troy in at number 7. There we go. I'm done. Trying to figure out if that verification code spelled something dirty. Looked like it did kind of, but couldn't quite figure it out in time. There we go. It's 9:32 and I'm done. There's our results again with a suspicious looking verification code. Looks a little dirty there. Like the F word. Somebody's trying to say the F word. I don't know. Just trying to keep it moving, guys. All right. Thanks a bunch, everybody. We'll see you next time. Thanks.